Hello, everyone. I'm Seth.
And I'm Carly.
And we are here with the Attractions Podcast at Walt Disney World's coolest summer ever. And right now we are going to talk to Nick Regueiro about the festivals, the food, and the fun going on at Walt Disney World this summer. And I know Carly and I, especially Carly, are fans of food here at the resort.
That's so exciting. Yeah.
Yes, we love food. It's an attraction for me. So I don't even need to ride rides, even though they are amazing. I could just eat my way around the parks.
I love that. No height requirement, right?
Yes, no height requirement.
And I think for a lot of foodies, the first stop is going to be Epcot, because that is Festival Central. And I've been spending the last couple days trying to eat my way around the Flower and Garden Festival.
Yeah. Oh, I love it. Yeah. I mean, we have just wonderful topiaries. There's about 60 topiaries across the park. My personal favorite is the Phineas and Ferb topiary.
Oh, amazing.
I like that.
And it's so iconic, right? With summer coming on, they're always trying to figure out what to do for summer.
Yeah.
So it's kind of cool to see that one. I always love the Lion King. Also, you can see some of your favorite characters from the film, but also Toy Story characters are spread out throughout the park. Yeah, so it's really, really fun to see. But also you can go to over 20 outdoor kitchens. So for those foodies, right? There's a lot of opportunity to grab a snack there at Flower and Garden. But also I would say there's also an opportunity to see some of the gardens across the park. There's about 31 of them. So it's kind of cool to see that go. And it really lends true to the reason for Flower and Garden is to kind of see how nature comes together and how it is the magic of possibility through nature. So
it's also a great opportunity to get off of the path that's right around, go into the pavilions a little bit, and sometimes like something like Japan where you don't have an attraction, you don't have a ride pulling you back there. This is a great time of year. The scare deer that they set up, the little bamboo contraptions are fascinating. Beautiful. They go all the way up into the hill. I was up there last night and I noticed sculptures and stuff. I was like, how long has that been there? And I have never noticed it. It's a great opportunity to look at the little details.
Every time at Epcot, you'll find something you haven't seen before, right? So that's definitely something that every time I go, and I've been a cast member at Disney for about 8 years, I always find something new to do at Epcot. So.
Absolutely. I know we feel the same way. Do you have a favorite item from Flower and Garden this year? I know it's so hard. Could be new or returning.
I have to say it's definitely the calamari tacos by the Mexico Pavilion.
That booth always hits.
Oh my God, it's so good. It's probably my favorite item this festival.
I gotta take another trip around and try that. I was really impressed yesterday over by Communicore Hall, the fish slider with fried green tomato. That was excellent. And we both had the seafood bake over by the Yacht Grub Beach Club.
Cool.
Yeah,
really impressed with the value for portion size this year.
Really, really fun. Yeah.
What are some of the fun things that folks can snack on or eat outside of Epcot? Because there's more than just Epcot when it comes to food.
I'd say there's 2 recommendations I'd make. If you're looking for a snack on the go, definitely a Mickey pretzel. Oh my God, it's the size of my head, right?
Yes. With cheese.
With cheese, yes. It's the perfect photo op too. Like if you ever need something to just take a picture with and kind of compare the size of your head too, I definitely recommend the Mickey pretzel. And then additionally, if you're looking for a sit down, something a little bit elevated, I recommend the Hollywood Brown Derby at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Yes.
Oh my God, the best pop salad in the world. Yeah.
Yes, I love the Hollywood Brown Derby. I also love that they add some little seasonal items every few months, which kind of gives that revisit factor. And of course, sitting outside at the lounge. This is the perfect time of year to do it. It's shaded with the umbrellas.
It really is.
Good people watching characters pass by.
For sure.
Have a cocktail.
Yes, exactly.
Just relax.
Cocktail and chill. Yes.
Very nice. Yeah, it's definitely the time of year to just enjoy all food and beverage offerings, right? Whether it's from a pretzel or a sit down, there's so much, so many offerings here to kind of sit down and enjoy food and beverage.
And of course, outside of the theme parks themselves, the resort hotels also have a huge array of different restaurants. Do you have any personal favorites?
Yes, I would say my favorite is Ale and Compass.
Ooh, that's a great choice.
And then also I love, obviously Chef Mickey's just the character interaction is really great, but Ale and Compass is definitely on my top.
And that's such a vibe. It's very relaxing.
For
You feel like you're about to hit a yacht club, or nautical. It's a great spot.
I think a lot of people maybe are familiar with the restaurants that are in the monorail hotels, but is there a restaurant at a hotel that's maybe a little more off the beaten path that's worth people seeking out?
Good question. I think the Enchanted Rose over at the Grand Floridian. Yeah. It's not a restaurant, it's more of a lounge, but definitely great food options and beverage options as well. There's a lot of, and just the vibes in there, there's just a lot of vibes. So it's really, really cool for like those that are visiting and those that are looking for something a little bit more chillax, right?
Yes.
So it's a great offering.
I love that. Yeah. I pick Disney's Coronado Springs. I feel like that
is
you're
a big fan
of
Coronado Springs.
Yeah, for
of
sure.
foodie options, and there's so many different great things to pick from.
And over at Key West, Olivia's.
Yes,
Key
Olivia's
West.
That's a very nice.
That's
one.
a very
really
underrated.
That was my second.
Yes.
After Ale and Compass.
Yes,
So,
and the gurgling suitcase is great. There's so many fun options and something new to discover, to get outside the parks and try something different.
And Carly and I, of course, never drink. But there are other folks there who like a cocktail. Do you have a favorite bar that at the resorts maybe that you could recommend?
I would say it definitely depends on your group and what you guys are looking for. But definitely check out DisneyWorld.com, and we have a list of them.
Yep. Can't go wrong with Trader Sam's if you
Yes,
can get
Trader
the doors.
Sam's.
Really fun.
Yes, I actually went last night. They just added a walk-up feature in the app, and it is really easy to get into. So if you were ever, deterred by the line, in the hallway, the walk-up in the app was super easy to use. So definitely take advantage of that this summer.
That's a good tip.
Yeah,
that's a good
definitely.
tip. Well, before we wrap it up, do you maybe have one last tip or one last favorite thing you'd like to suggest for folks this summer?
Yeah, so definitely, we talked about festivals, we talked about food, obviously the fun, right?
Yes,
Although
yes.
those two things can be very fun.
Yes.
I wanted to call out just something really exciting that's coming to Disney's Hollywood Studios this summer that is going to be super fun. It's the new mission on board the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run.
Yeah.
A new mission featuring the Mandalorian and Grogu where you get to visit new planets, engage with those heroes, right? So it's going to be a really fun addition to the Batuu.
We're definitely excited for
Yeah.
that. Who
I
doesn't
know.
love Grogu?
I know, right?
As a
Grogu's
perpetual
iconic.
single rider, I am glad to finally have a reason to ride Engineer.
Yeah, for sure.
Very
for
happy.
sure.
All right. Well, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Nick. This is
Awesome.
great, and hope you have a coolest summer ever yourself.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.